Hey guys, we are opening another Pokemon 151 Elite Trainer box to see if I can finish pulling the secret illustration rares that I need to finish the set. Now, I haven't pulled any of the big three starters, or most of them honestly. I've only really pulled the Alakazam. I've had some pretty bad luck, and honestly, I'm probably going to buy singles, but I thought for this video, I wanted to open some packs. I had this ETB laying around, and I just want to open packs. So let's crack in and see if we can get some hits. Now, this ETB is from the same purchase as the first ETB I opened on YouTube. Hopefully there's some better packs in here because the first ETB only gave us the Jinx Full Art and the Jinx EX. If you haven't watched that video though, check it out because we also opened a booster bundle with amazing pulls. Pack number 1 of 9. Have to make sure my microphone was actually recording. Okay, code card number 1. Right, I'm gonna go for a lightning energy. Let me just move the camera a little bit closer. Okay, we get a steel energy on the first pack. Execute, a fairy, Machop, Porygon, Erica's Invitation, Magneton, Nidoqueen, Reverse Horsey, Reverse Wartortle, a Lover Starter, and Vaporeon, no first pack magic. Now, we just have to beat 2 hits. Our first ETB gave us 2 hits. If we can beat that, I'll be happy. If we get none, which is possible, because batching appears to be a thing. And by batching, we mean sometimes a run of, like, an entire case of ETBs, there's no pulls. It's really weird. But hopefully we don't deal with that. Okay, Psychic. Then we have a Dark Energy, Psyduck, Ekans, Cubone, Show Me a God Pack, Vulpix, Energy Sticker, Rhydon, Executor, Reverse Nidorino, no God Pack, Reverse Bellsprout, and in the back, oh, we got our first hit, Wigglytuff EX. Okay, so we have 1 hit from 2 packs. Already on track to beat the first ETB. Pack number 3. Keep ripping. Just keep ripping. Yeah, 1 to the front. Holographic Psychic. Ooh, Holographic Steel. I did get the holo right though. Okay. Electabuzz. Rhyhorn. Tangela. Coughing. Victory Bell. Big Air Balloon. Primeape, Reverse Eevee, Reverse Dratini, and Volplume. Holographic energy except for Psychic. If we can pull a Psychic, I'll be very happy. I don't know why it's eluding me. I have like 4 or 5 Holo Waters, 4 or 5 Holo Lightning. It's just the Psychic is eluding me. Okay. Fire. Lightning, Magnemite, Caterpie, Eevee, Dome Fossil, Rigiband, Show Me a God Pack, Graveler, Show Me a God Pack, Wheezing Reverse Rare, oh, Psyduck Illustration Rare. I have this, but this one has much better centering than my other one. It doesn't have great centering, but it's a lot better. My other one was horrible. And Flareon Holographic. So 2 hits. Again, I can trade with this. I'm still missing a couple of illustration rares. So I'm pretty happy with that. 4 remaining after this one. We have 2 hits. And we're hoping for something better. I need to pull an SIR, man. Okay. Dark. The Grass Energy. Psyduck, Ekans, Cubone, Vulpix, Fearow, Onix, Dragonair, Reverse Dugtrio, Reverse Tentacruel. I just want one of the big 3, man. Come on. Marowak, Holographic. I haven't got that Blastoise, that Charizard, or that Venusaur SIR. I've pulled 2 Charizard Full Art EXs, but I haven't pulled the SIR. So that is my aim. Oh my god, this pack is hard. Yeah. Mochi has entered loaf mode. Holographic Psychic, let's do this. Fire. Weedle. Zubat. Goldeen. Weeping Bell. Arcanine. Tentacruel. Snorlax. Porygon Reverse. Lickitung Reverse, come on. Gyarados Holographic. I haven't put a single Hyper Rare or Gold card. I'm still missing the Mew EX. I have most other EXs. Yeah. Psychic. Lightning again. Rhyhorn. Magikarp. Oddish. Mankey. Rhydon. Rigid Band. Nidorino. Reverse Rare Chansey. Reverse Doduo. Me. Alright, 2 packs left. It's not looking like we're going to beat our previous box unless we get a lot of luck. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me that copium. Give me that copium. Don't do me like this, Scarlet Violet 151. Come on. Come on. Holographic Psychic. Well, that's bad. Holographic Fighting with at least 2 swirls. Drowsy. Dude, I love Bulbasaur. What a cutie. Slowpoke. Common Supply. Common Supply for Growlithe too. Magneton. Nidoqueen. Come on, God Pack. God Pack me. Come on. Come on, just God Pack me. Just one time. Reverse Vulpix. Reverse Magmar. Aerodactyl Holographic. This should be a full art. Aerodactyl should be a full art. It deserves to be. My 2 pulls from this pack are duplicates, which I'm kind of sad about, but it's the game you play when you rip packs. You get to a point where you're better off buying singles. Personally, I am at that point, but I wanted to rip another box. Yeah. I just wanted to rip another box, man. This will be Fighting Energy. Now it's Psychic. Not Hollow, though. Psychic. Meowth. Execute. Clefairy. Come on, Godback. Machop. Come on, Godback. Executor. Come on. Graveler. Arcanine. Reverse Protective Goggles, no Godback. Come on. Illustration Rare. Reverse Taurus. Okay. Come on. Come on. Our second Vileplume, horribly centered. But not centered badly enough to be an error card. There she is. Sometimes, guys, it's better to keep your cards sealed. This is one of those occasions. Not everybody can rip God ATBs and God packs. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more openings going forward. Until next time, take care.